Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the rechargeable drone. So you're going to first of all drop the item you want to recharge and take out the rechargeable drone. Press E, and then you're going to select the item that you want to recharge. For me right now, it is a tranquilizer weapon that I want to recharge on Repo. So I'm just going to let it recharge. If the rechargeable drone gets low, you do need to go back to the truck and recharge that using the energy crystals. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can use the rechargeable drone. So you can bring that and then you can recharge it anywhere you want. But yeah, it does get low pretty fast because it gives all the energy to it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Um don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.